Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another Java problem. So let's get into the class. Let's write the problem statement. User need to take two user inputs and user need to traverse user inputs. Let's take x and y, and user need to traverse from x to y, and user need to take out the Armstrong numbers from x to y, and need to print the Armstrong numbers. Armstrong numbers. So which means, for example, I am giving x value is equal to 300. X value is equal to 300 and y value equal to 500. So in between 300 to 500, we need to take out Armstrong numbers. So what are those? 370, 371, 407, and 432. So these are the Armstrong numbers in between 300 to 500. In between 300 to 500. So this is how, this is the output we have to get. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. Let's write the code. So import java.util.star, and I will take scanner as c is equal to new scanner, system.in, and I will take x is equal to sc.nextInt, and y is equal to sc.nextInt, and now I will traverse int x is equal, I will transform int I is equal to x to I less than or equal to y and I plus plus. So what I have to do? I would have to traverse, and here I will check if I, so here I will write check Armstrong function, check Armstrong function, and I will pass each time I check Armstrong. If it is Armstrong number, I have to print it. That's it. I have to print it. I have to print I. I have to print I. So we need to print the numbers, right? So that's why each number is stored in I only. So that's why I'm printing this. I am printing this. Yeah. So now I will write the function. So what should be the return type for this function? It should be integer. Public static int. Why I'm writing int? Because each time I have to return a number, right? So number is an integer. So that's why I'm writing return type integer. And I'll write function check Armstrong and num, and here I will take while loop while n not equal to 0. This loop will be continued. Here I want so here I will take temp. So that's first of all we have to copy the num variable to temp, or you can write in temp is equal to num. Why? Because we have to compare, right? We have to compare. So I will take unit digits is equal to unit digits is equal to temp mod 10, and I will do some. So I will take sum is equal to 0 and sum is equal to sum plus unit digit into unit digit into unit digit. So after that, I have to remove the each number. So number is equal to 10 by 10, 10 by 10. So this logic will check the number is Armstrong number or not. And I will come out of this loop and I will check if. So I have to return it, right? So I have to return sum is equal to none. Sum is equal to num. So each time I will give num. It will check whether sum is not. Let's check whether it's working or not. So we are getting error. So let's run this program again. So we are getting error. So Boolean cannot be converted to. Okay. So here I am checking whether it is a Armstrong number or not. Like it's a Boolean. It's a Boolean. It's a Boolean. So here I'm checking whether it's that number is Armstrong number or not. Right. That's it, right? It should be Boolean, not integer. Let's run this program again. So the error is gone because here I'm checking if that check Armstrong number, like if it is a Armstrong number or not. So who will tell? This Boolean will tell whether it is a Armstrong number or not. Whether it is a Armstrong number or not. That's it. So we should not use integer. And give x value is 300 and y value is 500. And click on. So we got the 370, 371 and 407. 407. So I think 432 is not a full Armstrong number. So 370, 371 and 407 are the Armstrong number. So what we have written wrong in this code, we have to write Boolean here. Why? Because we are checking whether that number is a whether it is a Armstrong number or not. So to check anything, we have to use Boolean. It will give true or false. If it is true, it will return. If it will return that number, and it will print the number. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.